Ashley. We're now turning over to Storm Watch 12 meteorologist Caitlin Harvey, who is tracking our current conditions on this Thursday morning. Caitlin, if people are heading out to the fairgrounds this morning, it starts at 8 a.m. What should they expect?
Well, we are starting off with some pretty mild temperatures, and especially into the Wairika area, starting off with plenty of sunshine this morning. We're at 51 degrees currently for Northern California. A bit warmer for the Rogue Valley at 61 degrees this morning. 48 degrees currently for the Klamath Basin, and we'll likely be stuck under all these clouds again today throughout the coast. So at 58 degrees right now, and not expected to warm up a whole lot as we head throughout this morning. For those of us west of the Cascades, though, into the Rogue Valley, you'll notice these clouds. We're already seeing them on our Newswatch 12 weather cam network. These are expected to move back out as we head into your midday. 74 degrees with plenty of sunshine by the lunch hour. But this afternoon, we're tracking more gusty winds. That trash can wind meter still at a 3 for this afternoon. On top of that, our dry conditions are leading to another red flag warning throughout the east side, as well as for Northern California. From 2 p.m. today until 9 o'clock tonight, we're tracking critical fire danger conditions. Those gusts will be up to 25 miles per hour across the region. But what makes it different for the east side, the Klamath Basin, as opposed to the Rogue Valley, is that those relative humidity percentages will be down into the single digits. So exceptionally dry and seeing, again, very, very dangerous fire weather conditions. Heading into tomorrow, though, we're tracking our major storm starting to move in. Still offshore right now, but as this continues to build into the area, as I step out of the frame here, you can see a chance of thunderstorms from the coast, and this is new this morning, all the way across the region. Now here in the darker green, we're seeing that chance for severe weather, a greater chance for severe weather highlighted here into the yellow. So this does include the central Oregon Cascades, the southern Oregon Cascades, as well as northern reaches of Klamath and Lake County. Now with that, we're seeing the chance for large hail up to 1 inch, high winds up to 70 miles per hour. And we cannot rule out a very isolated, weak tornado. I do not think this will be widespread, but we do need to be prepared for that. So after our new morning show here at about 7, I'm going to jump onto our Facebook, do a Facebook Live about how you can prepare and stay safe. With this, we're expecting abundant lightning. So across the region, we're seeing a fire weather watch issued tomorrow. This is Friday from 11 o'clock in the morning till 11 o'clock at night. Seeing any new fires that do start could spread quickly thanks to the gusty winds. So here's our newest forecast model this morning. Dealing with this marine layer for those of us west of the Cascades by noon, as we did talk about just a second ago, we'll watch that move out. Heading into this afternoon, though, especially as we head up north of Lake County as well as into Harney County, we're seeing a slight chance for some storms today. I think that most of us will stay quiet, much like yesterday. Tomorrow, though, take a look at this. Dry in the morning, the system moves on shore, and then by midday, you're starting to notice these storms develop for the Cascades. Storms even possible for the Rogue Valley, coast, Northern California, and the Klamath Basin. It's going to be an active weather day as we head throughout your Friday. And even into Saturday, we're still tracking storms. So today, the calm before the storm with highs back into the 80s and 90s, more sunshine and a few isolated storms up toward Crater Lake. The coast even seeing that chance of storms for your Friday, with more showers continuing Saturday as temperatures drop. We'll be into the 60s and 70s across the region for your Saturday, with more storms likely for Northern California. Storms likely tomorrow and Saturday for the Klamath Basin, with a slight chance of storms today. We'll see storms as we head into the next 3 days for the southern Oregon Cascades and Siskiyous. And after staying dry and pretty warm today for the Rogue Valley, expect cooler temperatures and storms as we head into the weekend.